Why do hiccups suddenly attack? At the worst time, hiccups happen because of a muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe in and out. Sometimes this muscle suddenly jerks. When that happens, air rushes into your lungs very quickly. At the same time, your vocal cords snap shut. That sudden closure creates the familiar hic sound. Things like eating too fast, drinking cold water, or sudden excitement can trigger this reflex. So hiccups aren't random. They're just your body's breathing system misfiring for a moment.